Set up in a hinge position, nice straight line from shoulder to hip and shoulder to wrist. And then we extend the arm out to the side, again maintaining straight lines the whole way through. We want to make sure the wrist doesn't extend too much. When we look at this from the back, the focus is for the lift to be coming on the inside of the shoulder blade. No big hump up into the top of the shoulder, nice and level straight arms. When we watch the other side here, we're going to see that the shoulder kind of chunks up a little bit at the top. The arms come too high, the traps got engaged, and that just shows that the shoulder's a little bit internally rotated. So we just need to roll the shoulder back and we see a better rep on the other side.
So we're using the steel club, we're getting a lateral raise, and we're adding this external rotation at the top. Evan's doing a brilliant job. We've got hip and shoulder on a nice straight line. He's going to do 2 more reps for us, and when we look at the back here, we're looking for that left shoulder blade to be coming nice and flush on, and the rotation really helps. Good job, buddy.